Hi, grade 7. I'm back. So this is Teacher Lee again. So for this video, I will discuss your lesson 1 in the third quarter about a point, line, and its subsets and plane. Okay, so we are going to identify first what is a point, line, and a plane. So the undefined terms of geometry. So what are the undefined terms of geometry? We're talking about a point, line, and a plane. So these are the undefined terms of geometry. So what is a point? A point is the exact location, like a corner or a dot. Simply lang sa point. Then line is a straight tiny string with no end. As you can see, there's an arrow at the both sides now, so they extended infinitely with no end man. Next is a plane, a flat surface that has no thickness and no boundaries or extend infinitely in all directions. That is a plane. Next, we are going to determine the given item that represents a point, a line, or a plane. So let us identify the given if it is represent a point, a line, or a plane. The edge of a table. We also have the intersection of two lines. A sheet of paper. Tip of a pencil. Okay, let us identify. The edge of a table, that is a line. Then the intersection of two lines is a point. A sheet of paper is a plane, and tip of a pencil is a point. Okay. A point is named using a capital letter. So try to look at the picture above. Try to focus. We have there a points. No, there are many points there. We have points, point A, point B, point C, point D, and point P. Again, always remember that a point is named using a capital letter. Next, a line. Line is named using 2 points with capital letter or 1 letter in lowercase. So as you can see here, we have line 1 and line 2. So we name the letter L in a lowercase. This is line 1, line or L1 and L2. Line L2. Or in our line 1, that is line BP. BP, this is our symbol for line ha. Line extend both sides infinitely, no? So this is the symbol for our line. That is line BP or line PB or line BD or line PD. Next, in our line 2, we have line AP or line PE, no? Oh, 2 points naman ta dire. So in our line 2, we have line AP or line PA. Again ha, this is the symbol for line. Next, a plane. Plane is named using 1 capital letter or 3 points named with 3 capital letters. So what is the name of our plane here? We have plane N. So also a plane is named with 3 points with 3 capital letters. So we can also name a plane here plane APB, oh, plane APB, plane PDA, plane BAP. We can name man a plane 3 letters, capital, with using the 3 points. Next, okay, observe here. This is plane R, di ba? Oh, this is a plane R. Then the line, what is the line? We can name line with small letters, so line M or with 2 points, line BD. And the points are point B and point D. Next. So we have here, try to look at the picture above. In the given line T, this is line T, no? Oh, makikita nyo dito yung T. This represents the line which is named T. So in the given line T, the points are P and Q. So the points R, P, and Q separates the line into parts. Diba this separates the line into parts? This is for the points R, point P, and point Q. So they are called the subsets of line. These are the subsets. So from P to the direction of R, the subset is ray PR. We talk about ray and segment, no? So we are going to define that ray and segment later. So P R. This is the symbol for segment, no? I mean, this is a symbol for ray. Only one endpoint, and then there's a arrow or extended in one direction. Then from P to the direction of Q, the subset is ray PQ or PQ, then my symbol na ray sa itaas. Then from R to Q, the subset is segment RQ or QR. Bakit segment ang tawag dito? Because, okay, let us define first ha. The ray and segments from line T are subsets of the line. Again, the subsets of line are ray and segment. So what is a ray? Ray is a subset of a line with only one endpoint. Again ha, while PQ here is a ray, dahil ang ray is a subset of line with only one endpoint. Diba? Only one endpoint here. So this is P, no? P, only one endpoint and then extended to Q. Extended, diba? Oh, that is array. Also, P to R, only one endpoint here and extended to R there. Okay? Then, a segment, a line with two endpoints. That's why R and Q is a segment because they have two endpoints, R and Q. Two endpoints na siya. Then this is the symbol for segment. Segment ha kay two endpoints while ang line extended both sides. So, arrow siya. Okay, next. So when two lines intersect, what do you mean by intersect? Ito, the intersection. Geometric figures are formed. So it is called angles. Again, when two lines intersect, if these two lines intersect each other, the geometric figures are formed. That is called the angles. So ito yung, and this is their intersection, no? So what geometric figures are formed? So ito, tinatawag itong angles. The four angles formed are separated. So ito ang mga angles niya. Diba? They separated. So, BOT, we also have TOD. The center the center point is point O. That's why we use O as the center. TOD, DOX, XOB. We separate here the four angles. We have four angles man, diba? We have angle, ito angle BOT, angle TOD, angle DOX, and angle XOB. Okay. Next, angle is formed by two rays not on the same line that intersect at their common endpoint. So the common endpoint is called the vertex. To. Again, angle is formed by two rays. This is a ray, diba? This is a ray. Ray OB and ray OT. Again, array kay only one endpoint and then extend one side. ray OT and ray OB. So they form an angles. They form an angles, diba? They intersect at the common endpoint, the endpoint which is O. So this common endpoint is called the vertex. Then the sides of the angle are the two rays. Again, the common endpoint is called the vertex. So the two rays, again, the two rays are ray OB and ray OT. They are the sides of an angle. They intersect at center or vertex O. Next. So the angle can be named as angle BOT, ito, angle BOT or angle TOB. It is okay if magkabaliktad ito, no? Si B or si T. As long as ito yung angle natin and the center is O. BOT is just the same lang. O, to TOB. Or written as angle. This is the symbol for angle, ha? If nahihirapan kayo kung mas mataas yung word na isusulat yung angle, you can write the symbol angle BOT or angle TOB. Okay. So angles are classified according to their measurements. Recall the angles according to the measurement. So we have acute angle. What is acute angle? Acute angle measures between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So makikita nyo rin yan sa protractor nyo. Where is the 90 degrees? Anyway, this is not new to you naman, di ba? Dahil during your elementary, na-encounter nyo na tong lesson na to. Angles according to their measurements. So acute angle measures between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Ito. Then right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Pa-L siya. O, ganyan. Then obtuse angle measures between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. O, dito maliit yung buka sa acute at sa obtuse is malaki yung buka ng angle. Then, okay, let's refer to the figure. Can you name this angle? That is angle PAP or PAT or angle A. What is the rays or the sides? The sides or rays are ray AT and AP. This is also an acute angle. Then the vertex is A. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.